Now we have a simple network, as you can see, but we can't distinguish yet between different nodes. They all inherit this sensor template. So I'm going to click on this node and on my gateway, and I choose an address for it. This will help me to distinguish the node later when I'm looking at the data collection graph. So I'm going to give an address that represents which room it is located in. So this node is in room 2. Let's just move it a little bit so that it can be visible. It's in room 2, yes. So then I'm just going to say address 2, and same for every other node. Address 3 and address 4 here, and address 5 and address 1. It's important that the address is unique. Then what I'm going to do next is that I want to allocate the tasks for the nodes, right? So I'm just going to press allocate. This would run the allocation algorithm using constraint programming, and you can see, okay, light and collection is allocated to this node. But you can notice that the allocation is only on one node now, and that's not what we want. So we go back to task sheet view and double click on light sensor, and that brings up this window again. We choose frequency to be on each node, right? Before it was once per the network. Now we just set it on each node, and then immediately you will see frequency per node. Then you might wonder what will happen to data collector. Then data collector will say inherit from upstream, this is the upstream. So the data collector would also be once per node. Then we say okay, and let's redo the collection here. Okay, now you will see for every sensor node we have light task and data collection task. So now that we are ready, let's run the simulator and see how that looks like in the simulator.